How to fix CarPlay not working with iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First and foremost, check the compatibility. So make sure you have iOS 13 or later in order to use CarPlay on your iPhone. Also, make sure that CarPlay is supported in your car, and some trims support only wired and not wireless CarPlay, so make sure of that. The next fix is you can try to restart everything. So restart your iPhone, your car engine, and your card infotainment system. Once you have restarted these, this will clear connection glitches. Next, on your iPhone, tap on the settings option and then tap on general and then on CarPlay. Here, your car should appear. If it appears, tap on it and make sure that Allow CarPlay while locked is on. And if your issue was still not fixed, then if you are using a wired CarPlay, then make sure that you are using a proper cable. Cheap or damaged cables cause failures. Also, make sure to use Apple certified MFI cable, as many charging only cables do not support data. Also, make sure to clean the iPhone charging port, such as dust blocks data pins, so you can use a wooden toothpick or gently remove the lint, and this might help you in fixing your issue. If not, then open Settings and tap on Siri. Here, tap on the Listen for option and then make sure Hey Siri is selected. Also, make sure that the press side button for Siri is enabled, and also make sure Allow Siri when locked is enabled too, as CarPlay will not work if Siri is disabled. Next, tap on the screen time option in settings and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option further. Here, tap on allowed apps and you will see the option for CarPlay. Make sure CarPlay is enabled, as restrictions often block CarPlay silently. You can then go ahead and try to reset CarPlay if it is still not fixed. So open settings again and tap on general and then on CarPlay. Here you will be able to see your car. So tap on the forget this car option and then go ahead and restart your iPhone and then reconnect to a car, as this will refresh the connection and your issue should have been fixed by now. Also, make sure that you are using Wi-Fi on CarPlay, as wireless cables CarPlay rely on Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth. Also, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and airplane mode is disabled. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix CarPlay not working with iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.